Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. Today I am going for a little outing. It has been so many days I didn't went anywhere. So presently the time is 5:59. You can see in my mobile screen. And now I'm going outside to the mall. And today my friend birthday is there, everyone. So that today we thought that to go for an outing along with some good food, as well as we planned a movie which is a night show at 10:30 around. So it's a Telugu movie. So I understand Telugu, but I am not comfortable in speaking Telugu. So anyways, after so many days I'm going to watch a movie, and definitely I'm going to say about the review of the movie as well. Presently that name is not coming in my mind, so I'll tell that movie name later. So anyways, I don't want to extend the intro, so without any further ado, let's start the vlog. I hope everyone will enjoy today's vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, now I'm going outside and already it's evening. So the time is 6:20. So now I'm going outside. So here too I will go to DSL Mall and the show will be there only. So please visit. So everyone, so this is the birthday boy today, and we came here to the mall, and we came again to DSL Mall only because DSL Mall is near to my location. So now it's happening like that. Previously in Chennai, BR Mall I used to go very frequently, and now DSL Mall I'm coming frequently. So this is the third time I came here, guys. So anyways, first I'm going to go for eating only. Nothing to show here in the mall because this is the third time I came here. So I don't want to make my audiences boring by viewing this mall again and again. So yeah, nothing else. Please do watch the vlog until end. At the end, definitely I will tell the Telugu movie that I'm going to see today. It's a very recent movie. So 10:30 will be the show. So yeah, please watch the vlog. So everyone, I came to Max to see the collections. Just what collections new is there. My friend want to do some shopping. So here we came just to see the men's collections in the ground floor of Max. So yeah, let's see what men's collection is there here. I do not have any shopping for today. So it's for me just going to be a window shopping. So everyone, birthday boy is seeing the collection, so I'm feeling little bit of boring here because here no female collections is there. This is only for men. So he's just seeing the collections and I'm just roaming with him. That's it, nothing else. So it's quite boring. So yeah, please watch the vlog until it. So everyone, I was enjoying with this cute little fluffy toys in the Max. Those toys were very soft and very cute. So I was spending some time with the toys, although either of them I didn't purchase, but it was a good experience. So everyone here for Makar Sankranti, they have kept this decoration in the DSL mall. So from Max, after seeing the collections of Max in the men's section, then we came here and this is the decoration type they have done. So it's quite good. So this also I've shared in the vlog. So please to watch the vlog until end. Still there is so many things to see in this vlog. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, you can see this Christmas lights, it's still there here. Previously I came here in 25th December in Christmas and still these lights are there, and this time for Makar Sankranti they kept this decoration here in the DSL mall. So it's a very beautiful decoration with pots inside. They kept some traditional pattern here. So it's quite attractive looking. And here sometime I'm just standing because still my friend is busy in shopping, so I'm filling some boats. I'm just standing here and seeing everybody. So yeah, that's it. Please continue watching. So everyone, now probably after my friend comes, we all will go for the eating because there is nothing to do more in the mall. So today I don't want to do any shopping. I am just in the mood of window shopping today. So I will go first for eating, and after that at 10:20 we are having the movie. So I'm thinking like will I feel bored or not in the movie, because I don't understand, I understand Telugu but I'm not comfortable in speaking, and I don't know that they will give below that translation or not. So that is the problem, because before in Chennai guys, if we go for Hindi movies, so some of my friends are in Telugu, so they don't used to understand it. So they used to give subtitles in Chennai. But here I don't know, this will be the first movie in Hyderabad. So after watching the Telugu movie, if I like, then definitely next time also I will watch a Telugu movie. So yeah, that's it. Previously I came here in 25th December in Christmas, and again today I came here. So this is the third time. So that's why I'm not going to show the complete mall vlog, because it's already there. You can check in my channel. It is DSL Mall, which is located at Uppal. So yeah, that's it. Please do watch the vlog until end, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So everyone, back side of me you can see this slipper, and really seeing this slipper I felt so excited, and some childhood memories came to me. So at Agartala in Children's Park, one place will be there where they used to keep this when I was around like 10 to 12 years old. So I used to go with my father there, and with my mom also. That time my brother was not born. So I used to definitely climb on this and enjoy fully. So seeing this, really one type of emotion I felt. Like in childhood I also used to do the same thing. So yeah, just a short, I want to say my memory for that. So yeah, that's it. So everyone, now I came to Easy Buy to see all the collections, because as I said today I'm going to do window shopping. So here I came here just to see the collections, like what collections are there, and easy buy things are very affordable according to me. So yeah, that's it. Let me see what collections are there and I'll definitely show to you also. Everyone, I'm seeing the collections here, and previously also I came here in Christmas, as I said, on 25th December. So that time also didn't find anything so attractive here, but as per easy buy, the price is very affordable. So I think that is the most important factor, so that every person can come and buy the things. So price affordable is very important. That is according to me, just a personal opinion. So yeah, that's it. I have roamed and I didn't find anything, attractive. So yeah, that's it. Now probably I will go for eating. Just I'm roaming sometime because the time is only 7:31. Yeah, it's 7:31, and it is not a dinner time. So that's why I'm just thinking that let me roam and do some window shopping, and after that go for it. So yeah, keep continuing. So everyone, I went to the store Ibadat. So I just want to say here to all of you that before also I came to DSL Mall, but this store I didn't went. So this is the first time I went here and I checked their collections. To be very honest, for traditional attires, there are very beautiful collections. So here the price is a little bit high as per according to me, because each kurti is around like 4,000 or 3,500. The minimum price range starts from 4,000 here, guys. But the collections are very nice. So if you think of purchasing any traditional collections, you can definitely check here. It's Ibadat, the store name is. Might be it will be present in some other malls also. So yeah, that's it. I just want to say what I felt here inside. So yeah, keep continuing watching. So this is the store, guys. I said inside videography is not allowed, so I couldn't take in the collections. This is the store. So it's very beautiful collections. So we are going for the eating. So let's see what food we are going to eat today. So probably I want to eat today KFC. I want to try KFC because it has been many days I didn't eat KFC. So let me see what are the foods here. But what are the thing I face here in DSL Mall is the variety of food in the food court is less according to me, what I feel. Because until now I visited a lot of malls. Previously in Chennai I was there for 5 years. Here I came Hyderabad, last 3 months happened. To be very honest, the variety of food is less here. But anyways, let me see what to eat. So yeah, keep continuing watching. Show everyone, it's very common, I have shown before also. So this is the food court of DSL Mall, which is located at Uppal, Hyderabad, and we are in the second last floor, and just from the top I am showing the view. And this is the birthday boy who is feeling very shy to come in the vlog. He's little bit shy of camera, guys. not camera friendly person. So this is the Christmas lights. So yeah, let's move for eating. So everyone, finally I came here to KFC and I'm going to show to you what I ordered. KFC guys. And here he is ordering. So everyone, my eating is completed. So I have eaten KFC, and sometime back this jacket, in this jacket some sauce fallen. So I was very upset for that because this is a new jacket I buy. So sometime I was very much upset regarding how to remove this. So if you guys, anyone knows that how to remove any kind of stains process, then please let me know in the comment section, because I was very worried about this. I just hope this stain gets removed. Actually I was eating KFC, and once I was eating KFC there were sauce packets. So suddenly in the sauce packets one or two drops fallen in my shirt, as well as here fallen, you can see, which is clearly visible until now. I tried to wash it through water guys, but it's not washing. Anyways, here I tried to wash, it's gone. It's very painful for me if anything fallen into my dresses, because I love my dresses literally. So yeah, nothing else. Food is completed, everything is completed. Now just sometime we are speaking with each other, we are spending some time, and after that we will go 10:30 to the movie. It's a Telugu movie. So that's it, and I hope the movie is not boring and I understand the movie well and try to enjoy it, because it's a Telugu movie. And yeah, that's it. Just sitting some time, and yeah, keep continuing watching. So everyone, now I will go to Sizzling Joe because I'm thinking to eat some Chinese. But my friend wants to eat wow momo. He is telling me that he wants to eat momos. So since I'm from Northeast, I'm from Agartala guys. So actually this momos is very famous in Northeast place, and the momo taste is very awesome, I should say, very nice. You will get 7 to 8 pieces of momo with 100 rupees along with some momo soap and some green chutney and red chutney. So I'm telling my friend that he should visit Agartala to eat momos. So anyways, now it's Hyderabad, it's not Agartala. So I'm going to treat him with wow momos only because he wants to eat wow momo. So yeah, I'm just thinking that whether to eat Chinese or else to eat wow momos. So here the birthday boy is there in the screen, you can see. So welcome to my channel, you birthday boy. So can you please tell me in today's vlog that how was your birthday?
Today really okay, very surprised. It's a very good day for me, and it's a lot of celebrations is done for me today.
So you enjoyed your birthday, right?
Yes, I enjoyed.
Yeah. So how many years old you are in today's birthday?
24.
Oh, he turned into an adult. He's 24 years old. So today was his 24th birthday, and today he have taken a leave also right from office for the birthday.
It's a very difficult to get a leave for me.
Yeah, because we are working in corporate sector, so it's very difficult to get leaves from the managers. So anyway, it was a good celebration. So you're happy, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy today.
And still one thing is left, that is the movie. Can you
Yeah.
tell the name of the Telugu movie in the vlog?
Sankrantiki Vastunnam.
So that name I forgotten. So he said. So how will be the movie?
It's a very comedy that one, and family entertainment movie. We can watch it, everybody.
Okay, so based on his advice only, I came to watch the movie, and let's see how the movie is. So yeah, keep continuing watching. You want to say anything to the vlog?
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, he is very camera shy. good offer today from Wow they are providing. So you can try next time when you will get the offer. And today so many places they are having a lot of offers. In KFC also they have given so much big offer, and Wow also they have given big offer. So it is a good day quite, because we are getting a lot of offers today. So everyone, after eating, still there is 1 hour pending for the movie, and the time is presently, you can see, 9:43 in my screen. So still there is 1 hour pending because the movie is at 10:30. So I didn't book the tickets online, so I will book offline tickets only. So anyways, after that, after completing the fish spa, I'll go to the movie, because the birthday boy of today, this is his wish to do fish spa. So that's why I thought, okay, so many days too I also didn't do fish spa. Might be back 1 year I have done one time in Chennai, and that video also I have posted. So I think it would be a good experience doing fish spa. So let's see.
Check it out.
Wow. So everyone, fish spa is started. So I've taken for 10 minutes, 100 rupees each. So it's feeling so rare. Like the feeling is very different, to be honest. And this was the birthday boy wish to do the spa. So honestly everyone, fish spa is always an awesome experience, because it feels very different. And first when I kept my legs inside the water, really it was very difficult to withstand that small bitings of the fishes. So this is at DSL Mall. 10 minutes per we have taken, 100 rupees. If you want more than 10 minutes means it is nearly 200 per person. So yeah, we are enjoying this spa. We can still 1 hour is left for the movie. So again I am showing one time. You can see guys, fishes. These many fishes around my legs. Boy, how you are feeling the
I've
fish spa?
experienced so much. Okay, like okay, massage. Okay, we'll be doing alright.
So this is the birthday boy legs, and he is also enjoying the fish spa. So are you enjoying the fish spa?
Yeah, I'm very enjoying a lot. Completely today, I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah. And finally the end point of the day plane came. So after the fish spa, so the fish spa experience was very awesome, because after so many days I have done the fish spa, and it was on the demand of the birthday boy. So that to fulfill his wish, I have also been with him during the fish spa. And after that now movie is going to start. That is Sangrantiki Vastanam. Please forgive me if I am wrong in pronouncing the Telugu word. Any Telugu audience is watching me, please do comment me if my pronunciation is not correct. So yeah, nothing else. Now I'm going to go to the movie, and definitely at the end of the movie I'll review you how I like the movie. And also this movie has a good rating, as my friends say, because of him only I came watching this movie. So that's it. And definitely this is the first time experience for me in this mall, this movie. It's, I must say, last 3 months happened I came to Hyderabad, and this is the first movie I'm going to see in Hyderabad. So yeah, Cinepolis inside the movie theatre is. So come, let's go. Cinepolis Mall is that in Chennai, when I used to watch movies at VR Mall, to be very honest, it was used to be inside a particular so much shining place, and inside decoration of the mall, movie theater, that is VR theaters, were very very good and nicely decorated. But I didn't find that what to say, I don't know what the correct word to say. मुझे इतना खास नहीं लगा इधर का डेकोरेशन, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इस पर्टिकुलर थिएटर का. जैसे आई यूज टू वॉच इन चेन्नई इन PVR और और भी बहुत सारे थिएटर्स है चेन्नई में जहाँ पे मैंने वॉच किया है मूवीज़. वहाँ पे मुझे थिएटर्स बहुत अच्छा लगा. बट एज कम्पेयर टू दिस हैदराबाद, इन हैदराबाद आई शुड से इट्स not that much attractive. So that's what I feel. It's just a personal experience or opinion, you can say, from my end. So anyways, let's see how the movie is. So yeah. So everyone, I am very disappointed with this. Once we entered the mall, once we entered the cinema theater, there were no lights and we were waiting for the lights to come. We have booked the last seat, everyone, the last two seats. So light is not coming and this is the screen. So everyone, we both have booked the seats for the movie, and the seats are quite relaxing, but it's very disappointing that they are not keeping the lights on. It's a show of 10:30 and you can see until now they have not on the lights, and that is what I find it very disappointing. This is my first show in Hyderabad and this is the screen. So let's start the movie. So everyone, it's complete dark, that's why my face is also dark and the seat is super. So everyone, the seat that has been booked is a recliner sofa and it was so comfortable to watch the movie in this kind of sofa. It was so relaxing. So everyone, I came to home and presently the time is 2 and it's very 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 cool because it's night 2 because I went for a night show. So yeah, that's it. I want to give the small review of the movie named as Sankranti Ke Vastunam. So in that movie, what has been shown is a complete entertainment movie as well as complete comedy, full of laughter and fun, as well as some actions are there. So the what I didn't like, a small thing what I didn't like is that in Telugu film they are not giving the subtitles in English. Because if they give the subtitles in English, then whoever doesn't understand that particular language also, by reading the subtitles, can understand. So that's what I feel from my end. Just personally I feel that, because in Hindi movies they provide the subtitles at the end. If anybody is not understanding Hindi also, they can watch the movie if they want to do so. So that's what I felt, a little bit of disappointment regarding not giving the subtitles. Other than that, everything was all right, movie was all right, and the sit was very very comfortable. So yeah, nothing else. Thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you will like this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until the next vlog, come to this channel. Till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care.